Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix black Ops 7 crashing or restarting on PC.
Fix 1. Update graphics drivers. Step 1. Open NVIDIA AMD GeForce Experience or Device Manager. Step 2. Update your GPU drivers to the latest version. Fix 2. Verify game files. Step 1. Open Steam Battle. Net. Step 2. Click Black Ops 7 Properties. Verify files. Fix 3. Run as administrator. Step 1. Click BO7. X. Step 2. Select Run as Administrator. Fix 4. Disable overlays. Step 1. Turn off Steam, Discord, or NVIDIA overlays. Fix 5. Update Windows. Step 1. Press Windows plus I. Update and Security. Check for updates.